come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica.
Where do you think you are going?
Why? Do I have an appointment with you?
Do you have an appointment with me? You think I don't know what you are doing, right? You having something doing with Asantwa? Do you think I don't know?
Asantwa. When did I ever have something doing with her? Why are you mentioning her name in this conversation right now?
Impregnated the lady.
Impregnated Asantwa.
Oh no, me. I did.
Benis, what type of false rumors are you trying to generate here?
It's not false. You know it's the truth, so it's not false. Don't worry.
Hey! I didn't see a school near and then the mamu the coding is I'm a frafra kakrama.
Then I would know, and maybe naid.
And you have the guts to come and stand in front of me right now.
Who are
and
you?
Accuse me of this.
Who are you?
Now who are you?
Fanfula, who are you?
I saw an any heady work one lie once to corona. And I tell them I could be there.
Where are you? I just want to hear how many information is no right.
Information, Ben.
Who be Sammy?
Hey, me problem. Benis, I don't want any problems with you in this school.
Hey.
Don't start something you can't finish.
I can
How
finish
can you just confront me here in front of the...
I said I can finish what you are starting. I can finish it.
You can't. Don't even try.
I can. Don't worry yourself. I can finish it.
And she's standing in front of me saying, I've impregnated Asantwa.
Are you not even shy? Is Asantwa your mate? Huh? Is Asantwa your mate?
Do not raise your voice at me.
I said, is she your mate?
Do not raise your voice at me. I have nothing to do
with this. I know, also Barbara, maybe look at him.
You can hear the why. That's when you be a canteen as a YC.
What will catch your mommy?
Catch your mommy. What are you telling my mother? What do I have doing with Asantwa that you are going to tell my mother? Don't go and blabber any information to her that you cannot back.
Look at this one. Hey. Oh, me do a chair. Remember, nipa brepa. Me do a chair. As Antoine, me nima the quintia. Oh, so penny crammer. Why would you know? Why is it TV post and then no? Why would she allow herself for you to?
Why?
Free many. I'm the main dreaming.
Free many, listen.
Free many call. I'm going to tell your mother. You think we don't know? If you don't know that you are dating Asantwa.
Hey, Jai, okay, come on, why?
I'm going to tell your mom, okay?
Go ahead. Guntu wedi obehami. Hey.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, I pray that today you go be my day.
Mike, what's the name? Catch you be new. Precious. What's the one you have been?
What are you guys talking about?
Flow, tell you to any I say who the patrona.
Are you watching him talk to me like this?
Yeah. Masa come on for there. I can't see my house with me. No,
yes, I'm cleaning the man of God's shoes. Why?
Ha! They me catch you. We will be crying. Can carry at all. But I mean, I can't me along with come my boss, my talent, Pabuano.
That's why I didn't come for somebody like you.
No, to me, I'm not crying. No crying, I'm a speck. Me spec, me catch you. Adams, say I'm catch us again, forgetting, you know.
So I'm watching him pour out his rage on me.
Yeah,
Scanty.
It's your own fault. It's your own fault.
You're choosing your friend over me.
Over
I can't do that.
Over wine. Who is evil? What will be about them so beside me, boy? When we have something better than my age, man.
Oh, how you are talking? What I heard about you is true.
The idea. Can you tell me? Can you be any so? Also say don't send me say any dating other friend. Dating other friend. Opu anka pa one ko dia to da. Boy, cause a man.
I'm not going to watch man and then stop the man of God's thing.
Ayaka.
So you're finally choosing the man of God over me.
I'm not choosing him over you. I'm just doing what God wants. It's not about human beings.
Another. One another, baby, drew up a pump of one another. So, what? Leboa. I'm damn. Untias your class.
You come like your girl.
Oh, from somewhere there. Oh, there. Man, I saw it. I know sorry.
You think I'm Seer? I'm not Seer. Don't come and falsely accuse me like that.
Precious. You mistake. Me the be my plan here. You mistake. Me both fucking. Biano say go shade here. Me buano ku.
Precious.
Can't tell you watching him talk to me like this.
Just me tap you me met my tap you when him style here. Yes, I'm there.
You can try. I'll report you to the police. You can try.
Me achimi ama bro. Mama chimi ama bro. Odo me kona mbe yi me. Odo mistake.
Can't you see I'm making your friend disrespect me?
Oni mkoko remember how
which is between both of us. You've gone to call a friend.
Please.
Who be sure? Come remember how red. I have a red. Oh, dear. Oh, Adams. One day I will me be trusting to move. Because me you know more about you say. Who say Pacho? Adams, they gave you now say Pacho. Hey, Adams, I'm buying to one share. Ube. Give two Pacho. You you mistake. Oh, have a red. Aha, they red. Mama na koko. Yanko na forget no.
I'll come back.
You say Jobi.
Scanty. Something which is just between both of us. You're involving our friends. First Anderson, now you're involving Michael. He wants to beat me. What if he meets me somewhere and beats me? Let me go and iron him before the 10 of the night.
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
I am the lady in this relationship, but you keep on spreading our information like you are the lady in the relationship. Why?
Precious, then do the right thing for God's sake. Do
Which
the right thing.
Which right thing? And even if I'm doing something I'm at fault, am I not the one supposed to be seeking advice from people? Are you the one supposed to be doing that? Come on, you are the man. You have to endure some things. You don't have to be talking to your friends about little issues in your relationship.
Precious, you are really hurting me. You are stressing me.
How am I stressing you? How? Because I was cleaning for a pastor. Is that why I'm stressing you?
Even God in heaven knows that I've not done anything wrong.
You've done something wrong. You called your friend to come and beat me up. You were able to go to your friend because he's your bouncer to come and beat me up.
And do you think I can do that?
Yes, you did that. It's not like I think.
I just
you
brought
did
him
that.
there for him to talk to you.
And
And you overdid it.
couldn't you have spoken to me yourself? Couldn't you have?
And how many times have I been speaking to you?
You come on. And it was going on well before you brought that your friend. Well, I'll come to tell you that if
It was going on well,
that, no, listen. If you know that you are going to involve anyone else in this relationship, just let this cast. Because I can't deal with this. Then every time there's another person in this thing, there's always a third person. Why? I'm tired. Why is it supposed to be that way? Why? Talk to me.
You are tired because Aroma is polluting you.
No, I'm
Aroma
tired
is trying to
because
convince you in any way.
How?
That this man of God thinks.
how? Am I the one reacting? You're the one calling people to come to me to insult me. Right now, do you know I'm in trouble? Do you know that when he meets me somewhere, he can beat me up?
No, Mike can't beat you.
He can't.
He can just
His
talk to
own
you. He
girlfriend,
can't
he has
beat
been
you.
beating the girl. How much more somebody he is not related to?
Then if you don't want him to beat you, do the right thing.
Then you two be wise. Be wise in your relationship. Don't make me the man here.
Precious,
What?
do whatever you want to do. I'm tired.
I'm also tired. How can you just tell me you're tired?
I'm tired of you. Do whatever
So you won't apologize?
Apologize for what? How many times should I keep on apologizing?
You
to
won't apologize to me, Scanty. You won't apologize to
Hey,
me.
Precious, do whatever you want to do. I'm tired. I'm tired
Hey,
of
Precious. Is that what this is about now?
this. I'm tired of talking and apologizing all the time. So you can do whatever you want to do. Hmm?
Okay.
Even God knows I've not done
I'll
anything
do whatever I
wrong
want
to
to do. Sure.
Obaba kuna de bia see nese na me patch or me kasa back and forth do baby my bro.
Someone in the hospital, crying every moment. They have no chance to give thanks to you, my Lord. But I am here today, singing praises through your name. Oh my God, I praise your name. Someone in the shrine, worshiping the ghost. They have no chance to give praise to you, my Lord. But I am here today, singing praises through your name. Oh my God, I praise your name.
Oh, then I'll give free precious. Precious and then I'll give free. They don't own anything.
Oh, Brother Adams.
Hey, brother me. Then I could only precious and then ask Brother Adams.
What is going on? I'm confused. I didn't know.
Sadena, who you so drain now? Open say, why you want to say Yamia Frona and our person they approach precious no? Huh? This is your new format, eh?
Brother Adams.
Hey, don't call me Brother Adams. Adams or Scanty, hey.
Well, if you see me with Sister Eve, it is not that the python is going to give her any apple. I am not Satan. As you can see, I am a man of God. It is almost a minute. Canon, age na baby.
Hey, Canon is your ex.
Oh,
I don't want to see you with her anywhere.
I like it. She is my what? Ex.
Your ex. So you have nothing to do with her. Huh? Aroma, you have nothing to do with Precious.
I'm even shy. So I was my ex because I'm a dream say I was once a bad guy.
And you are still a bad guy.
I am not a bad guy.
You are still a bad guy. This is a new format.
You think
you are still a bad guy, bro?
You think I'm pretending? Well, Sister Cannon is a sister to me. As you are a brother to me.
I'm not a brother. Hey. I'm not a brother to you.
So if you see me, Sister Cannon, then we might be sharing the word of God. Nothing.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Me be boss no na tu so hey.
Come boom me kum.
Boom. Come boom. What's that so you fake? One wa from home. Hey.
You know what I do for you guys? You guys have no idea of what I do for you. When you mean to call me Kumano behind you?
Behind you?
I pray for the school. I pray for the teachers. I pray for the students. But Scanty, I'm not following a prayer topic. Because if I pray against you, the wrath of God will come to you. Brother Scanty, I don't want to hate you. You are a brother to me, ain't you? So when you say please allow me work. Do you hear me?
If the Lord
directs me to Precious, I will go to Precious. I follow what the Lord has asked me to. If the Lord asks me to pray to Precious 24/7, that is what I'm going to do.
So the Lord asks you to pray for Precious.
Exactly.
Is Precious the only girl in this campus?
Ask the Lord.
One can't trust say Bompai Seer. Seer and Precious when he hear prayers. Huh?
What do you think?
Hey, Aroma.
Hey!
Aroma.
Hey, brother.
Hey.
Point of question. Don't call me that name again. My name is Brother James.
Brother what?
My name is Brother James. Don't call me Aroma again.
I'll still call you Aroma. Hey, Aroma. Be careful with that Precious. Huh?
Oh.
Yeah?
I hear you. I had a revelation yesterday. You know, I had this revelation and it was about people tempting me. They want me to lose God. They will provoke me. So if I retaliate, then the devil will get me. Oh man, I am going, as you can see. I was singing. Someone in the shrine.
I told you just I don't want to see you with Precious again.
Worshiping the God. They have no time to be thanked to you, my Lord.
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Precious.
What's up?
Oh, nothing much. How about you?
I'm okay. I'm really disappointed in you.
Disappointed in me.
I've been hearing a lot about you. You always come to me for advice. You come and then I lend money to you, and I don't even take it back. That's the funny thing.
Yeah. And like, I thank you for all of that. It's really, really sweet.
And then there are so many things circulating in the school that I'm not aware of.
Really?
Concerning you.
Me?
Yes.
No, even before you even start with that, how are things with you and Scanty?
Scratch that. We are talking about you.
Oh, so I can't ask about how my
We are
favorite
fine.
person.
Everything is going on well. Now we are talking about you. If you wanted to ask about Scanty, you would have come to me.
Oh,
I wouldn't have.
I was going to come. I'm doing something.
When was the last time you came to me? Because nowadays you've been getting money. You decide not to come to me, right?
Oh, I haven't been getting money from anyone. Oh, come on.
Well, I heard a lot of things. I heard that you are dating Asantua.
Me?
Yes, who? Who else?
So the rumors have also gotten to you. Oh, precious.
So
Don't
you mean to tell me it's
Ah,
not true?
It's not true at me. I mean, look at me. When was the last time you saw me interact with Asantwa in the school?
It was so hard to believe, but
Yes.
it came from a very known source. Somebody
Very
who
known.
didn't lie to me.
Who?
Scanty, of course.
Scanty.
Yeah.
So your boy is a gossip now.
How is he a gossip? He's telling something to his
He's a
girlfriend.
gossip.
Nah, you keep on telling things to other people that are not supposed to hear about certain things. Scanty came to tell me because I'm his girl.
But at least what I tell people is the truth.
Really?
Yes. Now
But
he's bringing this false information
It's
to me.
not
Now you're
false. It's
confronting me
true.
about
I'm
it.
sure it's true. Because how it's spreading so rapid, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I've also heard it's spreading a lot. But I just want to assure you that it's lies. Look, because of this, you will think that, oh, I've gotten somebody to date
course.
and stuff. So now, like, as I'm sitting here, what do I have that I say I'm going to date someone? Look at how much I borrow.
I'm sure that's why you've not been coming to me.
That's-
Because you've gotten money. You've
I
gotten
knew it.
money to
I
the
knew it.
extent of dating someone like Asantua.
I
Oh,
know it.
come on.
Now you think I have so much money.
You
won't
have
even
money.
offer me money.
Yes.
Oh,
And then
Please,
the funny
it's
thing
lies.
is that I even heard that you are the one responsible for Asantua's pregnancy.
hey!
Yes.
What are you trying to say right now?
What am
Are you
I?
trying to accuse me of pressure?
It's not an
If
accusation.
anybody would have accused me in this school on an issue like that, I never expected it to be
I'm
you.
not accusing you. I'm
You are
telling you what
accusing
I've
me.
heard.
What?
That's
It's
why
lies.
How is it
It's
lies?
lies.
What shows?
Precious, look at me.
Mm-hmm.
How do you expect someone like me to go and impregnate
I know
Asantua?
that if they were
Someone you know I've never socialized with.
let me talk. I know that if there were lies, you would have come to me to tell me that there are so many things circulating around about you, and then you would have
It's
asked
so
for
much to
advice from me.
comprehend right now.
Oh,
I'm now
come
trying
on.
to process everything before I come to you.
I don't believe you. I think you are lying.
Precious, as I'm sitting here,
Mm-hmm.
I am starving. I don't have anything.
Because you've been
As I'm
taking
I'm
care
trying
of.
to stick.
You've been
And
taking
you are
care
saying
of two
this.
people
Taking care of two what?
plus you three. Yeah, that's why you're
It's
starving.
not no. It's never because of that.
Then that's what you're trying to stay. At first, you were not worried about anything, right? You were just taking the money and spend it. But now you see that you have a responsibility, so you have to do other things to get money, right?
Precious, please understand me. It's not true.
No matter what you say, I won't believe you. But I'm just trying to tell you that you find your means and then ways of making this thing like calm, cause it's spreading too much. You are really tarnishing your image in the school. You were somebody that I really respected, and then didn't expect you. I know that you found fool people, but I don't know that you'll be engaging yourself in relationship matters. Let the other guys do it, but no.
Precious, please calm down. It's not the truth.
How is it not the truth?
Why are you trying
Prove to
to pin
me.
it to
Prove
me?
to me.
How do you expect me to prove something like this? You know you have barely seen me with Asantwa ever interacting.
I heard
And now
it's a
you are-
secret relationship.
Secret what? Oh,
I
come on,
believe
Precious.
Scanty. Scanty would never lie
Precious,
about
your
something
boyfriend
like this.
is a big gossip.
He is.
Look at who he hangs out with, Opoku, and you expect him not to be gossiping.
Opoku is no more. Yes. Opoku knows the solid gist in the school. So obviously,
Opoku has so many false rumors, and now you are trying to pin it on me.
Opoku doesn't
also.
have. Well, since you don't want to admit, I'm going to get something. So I'll see you
Really, to
later.
eat?
When you are ready to admit it, you come to me, you talk to me, then I'll know that you are now calm to listen. Okay?
Yeah, fine. Wait, did you say you are getting something to eat?
Yeah.
Can you go and get me something also?
A father.
When?
By now they are two. A father of two.
What father?
I should go and get food for you.
What father?
Aren't you a father now?
Please, I'm not a father. I'm a son.
You can come. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, okay.
All bells on you.
Of course.
Okay.
think you are pressing your phone.
I'm all ears.
I said I wanted to tell you how.
What do you want to see here?
Say, why are you pressing your phone?
Okay, Benis. Okay, talk.
Yeah, I wanted to inquire about how you want to sack Vonnie. Von.
What?
Von.
What has he done?
But the last time I told you. I told you he has impregnated Asantua.
You told me he has impregnated Asantua?
Yes.
It has not come to my notice that he has impregnated Asantua. So, how?
So what I'm saying is true. What evidence do you want to give? What I'm saying is true. So what do you want to hear?
How should I sack him? On which basis?
Say. But when Untumi and Chelsea got pregnant, when they had something and they got pregnant, say you sack people in the street.
I sacked them, and so
you have to sack one and
officially I've not gotten anything to back what you are telling me. And you are telling me to go ahead and sack Von and Asantua.
You have to sack them. Say you have to sack them. Because you have been feeding you with information, you don't want to sack the guy. Sack him.
Okay, granted, he's the one who gives me information. What is wrong with that? What are you doing that is not right? That you are so enthused in me sacking him?
But what they posted down is not the right thing. It's against the school rules, so you have to sack them as well.
So what do you do wrong?
You have not done anything wrong.
So why are you not comfortable?
Why would I be comfortable? Why you sack Untumi and Chelsea as well? You have to sack them as well.
Good.
So sack them.
I had, formally I had an evidence that Untumi, Sadat and...
But I've given you the evidence. I've shown you the evidence.
It's not enough.
I'm telling you the truth. You don't want to believe it. Me, I don't like that too.
I can't sack him based on rumors. Please, let it come before me officially. Then I'll make decision on it.
Me personally, I know you've heard about this, but why should I know where you really? Me, I don't care.
I've heard about it. I've heard about it. You see, you're not comfortable. If you are not doing something wrong, if what you are doing is not fishy...
So put your hands down. I'm comfortable. Put your hands down.
Hey, Benis.
So you have to sack them. You have to sack them. You have to sack them.
Look at you. Hey! Although they hear me, you, Madam AI. Hey, it's AI. It's AI. Here you are. Who you are? What's that on?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with your Maya. Me, person me come any months with Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that
I've been calling you from home.
You've been calling me for what?
I want to talk to you.
What talking to talk to me?
I'm sorry for the other day. So just I've been calling you from that shop over there. I'm even out of bread. Say why? I was calling you because I'm trying to say I'm sorry. You see how the whole you impregnated Asantua's issue circulated in the school? I thought that you were the one responsible. Fanfula didn't seem like the person who is going to impregnate Asantua. The combo is bad. I thought it was you. I'm really, really sorry for asking you the other time.
I didn't even say ya modessa. The nipa didn't say ya musa na munya. Ah? Miss say nipa didn't say on Saturday no kore no one no kore ni woman. Man can't tell. Huh?
So I didn't really tell anybody. They were the ones telling me.
But why you destroy my name? Why you destroy my name?
I didn't destroy your name. I just listened, and then I wanted
listen.
Verification.
You don't listen, so they ask him. You don't listen, so they ask anyone. What?
I wanted to be sure. That's why I came to ask you. But I know that Matt, I should have believed you. I should have believed you. You see, your own nephew won't come and then be circulating bad things about you. So it was because Scanty told me. That's why I believed.
Scanty no Jimmy. No one they won't go soon. Jimmy sa Scanty no. Me who pa what Jimmy to some what Jimmy. What no person what
Jimmy.
Oh, say change, don't say.
Wait, Jimmy.
Say my, don't say.
No, obey. We don't have any problem. Why? We don't need problem.
The last time I didn't like how you spoke to me. You were insulting me. You've never.
But why you forget what you're saying to me?
You've never spoken to me that way before. You call me Jimmy and all that. Oh, searching. You didn't do well.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. Okay? Are you okay? I'm so sorry.
I'm not okay.
For what?
Buy me ice cream.
I'll buy you lollipop.
Lollipop.
You like lollipop?
Yeah, I like lollipop. What's that? Lollipop.
Shorty when you get, shorty when you blow.
Hey, I don't know how to sing.
Shorty when you go, shorty when you get. Lollipop. Okay, Charlie. Tomorrow try to come my home to clean my home. Okay.
I'll come. I'll just as a form of apology. I'll come and clean them and cook for you.
You sure?
Yes. So just what time should I come?
Oh, around 6 o'clock.
6 a.m.
6? No. 8
p.m.
You tell me that I'm going to early morning.
6 p.m. There's late. Oh.
There's no late.
I'll come just so that you forgive me. I'll come and clean the place.
In some crash there. I'll give you lollipop, okay?
Okay.
Hey. Call me. Call me. Sorry, honey. Sorry, honey.
They are flattering me.
Just
sang it. It's nice. I want to go and fetch. Yes, who sang it? I want to go and search and listen.
It's Lewin and Sketus.
You know Lewin?
Oh,
hey, Rasta in my head.
Yeah.
Wow.
Lewin from America. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
He played that song. Yeah.
So you know Rich Homie, Lewin.
Yeah, I know Khaled, Akon.
Oh, I see.
Ghetto.
Hey,
Ghetto. This is the body.
I never knew.
And on to Warren. You keep going down. And then no one to. And then no one to hold you.
We'll be playing those music. Then we'll be dancing.
I don't know who you know. Never knew. Do that.
Yeah, men punk what I mean, the party they come my way.
Why would you say me show? Boo! Oh, meaning that's all we say. Hey, Scanty. Mary. Just a woman going away to be a 1 minute iron rosso. She also a conconsent. Who the matter? Hey, who the matter? One of my boss who say the matter. And who are you? The Uncle School only as 20 minutes. Now, who is you? Only as Santua Shahona. What should I Santua funny saying, oh, did moderation over? No, hey, Scanty, you have no right to come and speak about this. Today is not you have gotten the guts and the courage to go and tell that your little girlfriend, Precious, that the baby, Asantua's baby is mine. How dare you? It's yours, it's not for my uncle. It's not for my uncle. So you say you impregnated Asantua. If you don't know, let me tell you this. Hey, I don't know, sir. I don't know, nigga, enough finance and I did shame off. Or you innocent. All because of saying himself, you know. I don't know, sir. I don't think you man say Aquana media. Now we expect those coming and say, oh, they know, what if you man will be any be doing this fucking lie now. Why would you say any girl no more than the best shame uncle? Forget you. Scanty, forget everybody knows that behavior of yours and Opoku should stop. What sort of false rumors are you trying to spread on me right now? Scanty, be very, very careful. Scanty. Kejenki and Drimoku. Hey, who do you think you are? Getting there. Wait. Who said fetch? Who said me my warning? Who said ten their man me warning? Like what confuse me? Me who are then me ba catch you in the cool and who said the fetch am warning? We no get anything saying shame of no. I make an all say catch me say Andrimoku, the.
Now better than to better than men than to Odo.
From Fula, show me. School me no bas me no confusion beer because of concern no. But the beer they confusion we. The beer they come. Me of our innocent. All those say when here Santua, they be mingling around but pregnancy and some of the show. From Fula, be careful.
Scanty,
be very careful.
Scanty,
let me tell you this.
Scanty, keep your mouth out of my issues and let me keep mine out of yours.
Then keep my uncle out of this pregnancy, then I'll keep my mouth out of this issue. Keep my uncle out of this. The pregnancy is not for my uncle, it's for you. Obiani mu school mo.
Hwe owiana wahaha ni achire mi o. He, na me san so tisa wo di san komo we o ba bia. No, ade a me dere yewa. Hwe why you me? He, why you Jimmy? Who do you think you are? He. Scanty, man try me. You will form kitty say me chi o me dey me kamecha me bell make
Bobo kume.
Hey.
You see when you mobanti when you courage what's when you mobanti me and me ban boko nti na opemi am ID no from full you be my mienu a ntimi hye me hwe o e ban boko na me tise still na koso mo de hye me uncle ni say hey from full next time ba school me be ba ko edi what they make a show keep my uncle out of this keep him out of this. Next just no girl no na mo take responsibility as a father. Me uncle no mbagu wada da. Nti me sraw keep him out of this. And mba no boko apem me bo my edin me kasa o han woni yes me ti say obi a me iron rose my edin na me. Next time me ba bu stay be come. Be careful from Fula.
Se obi enya ve me kan kwasa asema fa me we Vladimir Akwa sprinter. Hey,